Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Timebucks. Timebucks is a platform that allows you to earn money by completing various online tasks and activity. In simple terms, it's a website where you can make some extra cash by doing things like taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, and even browsing the internet. And one of the great things about Timebucks is that it's easy to get started. All you need to do is to create an account and you can start earning right away. The tasks are usually straightforward and don't require any special skills or knowledge. So let's log using Facebook. I don't think I have an account. So yeah, I'm sacrificing my Facebook account in every commission, in every available chance. So the platform offers a variety of ways to earn money. So you can choose the tasks that interest you the most. You can take surveys and share your opinion on different topics, which can be fun and informative, which watching videos or is another popular option where you can get paid by simply watching advertisement or investing content. So you will need to add a password after connection. I forgot where I was in my password, but it's always the same password. If you know it, you can take all my accounts. If you don't, you cannot take all my accounts. Simple and easy. Now let's go. If you enjoy playing games, Timebox has that covered too. You can play games and earn money while having a good time. Additionally, the platform has a feature called Roll and Win. You can spin a wheel for a chance to win a cash prize. The password is the email. No, I don't think it was the email. So never memorize it. Before you can use the inbox, you first agree terms and I agree. No one read this. I agree. So Timebucks also have is a referral program, which means you can earn additional money by referring your friends and family to join platform. This can be a great way to boost your earnings and get others to sign up using your referral link. So this is your referral link. Those are the surveys. 56 cents, 78 cents, 60 minutes, 50 minutes, and where is the game? You have here your earning with referrals. You can earn by completing survey, continent tasks. This is the date completed, how much they earn, and the user, where is it from. So there is a letter for achievements, I think. So when it comes to redeeming your earning, Timebucks offers different ways payments such as PayPal, Payer, Bitcoin. You can cash out your earning once you reach the maximum threshold, which is usually clearly at the start of your website. Uh, they they have a cutoff. So here we have the settings. Here you have email and notifications. So you have a bonus of 50 cent. So, well, while Timebucks can be fun and easy to make money, it's important to keep in mind that the earning might be not substantial. It's unlikely to replace a full-time job or provide a significant income. However, it can be a good option if you are looking for a way to earn a bit of extra money. So, daily goal check. Complete a first survey. This will take 30 minutes or 14. Let's just do the clicks. Push click. So to allow push click, you have to add to active notifications. blocked. Allow. Okay. Refresh. Now frequently asked questions. I'm using mobile. No, I am not using mobile. Here we have the survey, the dashboard. Let's continue. Push clicks. So in this task you will get paid to click on browser push notification. You will get paid certain percentage of yesterday's earning for every click. This means the more money you earn the previous days, the more it will earn each push you click. So where to find those notifications? I'm certainly not here. And I think they will be on the email. Let's see the email. I don't think this is no, this is not the email that contains it, but we have an email from ClickGenie. So how to use ClickGenie? There is a video talking about it. So here below the price, earn up 10 times more tickets. You can earn tickets and join the withdrawal. So my email isn't verified. I think that's why I can't start earning money. But I don't remember which email is linked to this Facebook account. So this might be my problem. So yes, I must confirm email to start earning. So let's try the survey while clicking on the survey. Yes. Are you currently living in Morocco? Yes, sadly. The protection of your personal data is very important. No, 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 no. Click here if you are reach full. Yes. In which year you were born? It's lie. Next, in which month you were born? August. No, I'm literally born in August. Select one day. It will be the 6th August. Next, please. What? Most survey are looking for participant in certain age range. Honesty is the key to successful completion. Please enter your age. So it's 23 now. Next, the age you have entered does not match your birth date. Told us it was it should be 22. Oh, my date of birth is correct. I understand that it cannot be changed anymore and further. But uh yes, I was born in 20 in August in the 6th August. That's why you should pay attention to answering informations. Now I'm 22. No, I'm not. Postal code, Google knows it from better than me. Yes, I want to access to all surveys. I missed the chance to have the best earner. I didn't even read the questions. What's your email address? Am I a man? Yes. So I'm completing this. Oh, which language do you speak and understand fluently? I already choose this three. So how often you eat fast food? Less than once per week. No, I'm serious. So completing this survey will take too long, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.